been thinking about this video for a long time. I've been thinking about what I would say, but I didn't really think I would make a video. In the past few weeks, things have changed a little bit in my life, and I've been able to get back on YouTube. I've been able to schedule things and feel better about my content, if that makes sense. Every time I post a video, and you know that, I get comments about whether I would make another Justin Bieber video, or if I still liked him, or I get a lot of Justin Bieber related questions. I like to joke about it, but it still makes me happy. To all of you who have asked, do I still like Justin Bieber? Yes, I do. I will be a believer forever until the end of times. His music has brought a lot to me, and it still does. Whenever I hear a song, it brings me back to the old days where it was just you Beliebers, me, and Justin. So it really felt like we were this community and that we could do anything. So that answers that question. Now, the biggest question is, will I make another Justin Bieber video? Will I show my collection more? Or why am I not making more videos? Well, I think I should take you back a couple of years and tell you that whenever I was making videos, my favorite moment has always been, and is still, the editing process. I like filming, but filming gives me anxiety because I compare myself to people who have the tools to make YouTube videos that are worth 10 times what I have. And it's not healthy to compare yourself to those people because the results I want to achieve are unachievable with the tools that I have, with the camera, with the lighting, with the makeup skills, with anything. And anytime I filmed a video, whether you guys liked it or not, I felt very self-conscious. And so it was bringing me down. It was hard to keep up because when you're not excited about filming the video, then there's just no point. As much as I liked sharing my experience and sharing my world, it became more of an anxiety process than an exciting process. And so I stopped. And I didn't stop because I didn't like, again, sharing with you. I stopped because making the video would make me feel like some things have changed. I've understood better. YouTube has also become more honest. Let's be real. YouTubers from 2012 were not telling us everything. And now they kind of have to because we're smarter than them and we know what's going on. They show us behind the scenes. We understand they have crazy set of lightings, or they have people doing their makeup for them, or they have a team behind them. It's making me feel better, and it's making me understand what it takes to make a video. When it comes to that part, I think I came to peace with it, and I understood that I can still make the video I want with the tools that I have. Now there's been another part of my life that's much happier, and it's the fact that I'm now married, but I still live with my parents. The reason being is that my husband is in the military, and we don't have a year left in Belgium. So they won't give us a house, but they will allow my husband to live with me. So it means that I still don't live in my own space. This is actually how my bedroom looks like right now. And not being able to have your own comfortable space when you have as much anxiety as I do when I film a video, it just doesn't do it. I didn't like my old setup. I wasn't comfortable. I like my setup now. I'm sitting on the floor, I'm comfortable. It's not the best, it's not my dream setup. I have in mind what will make me the happiest. I've really stopped comparing myself to the big YouTubers who have things lined up in a perfect YouTuber world. And I realized I'm not like them and I don't have to be like them. And when I started creating my content for you guys, my Justin Bieber videos, as you guys like to call them, I wanted to bring you the best quality in terms of how the video would look like, but also in terms of content. If I could teach you something, if I could bring something to you. I didn't think that because we were a small community on YouTube, of course we are, that you deserved shit quality videos. I wanted to bring you guys the best quality. I feel like for the most part I did, but it's nowhere near my expectations. When it comes to my current living situation, it's not going to be like that forever. Close to the end of this year, I will be moving to America, and there I will have my own space, my own bubble where I can film videos. If you think that maybe because I got married, my husband doesn't want me to film Justin Bieber videos. No, my husband has always been very supportive. He met me with the Justin Bieber videos, and he will keep being with me with the Justin Bieber videos. Some of you might ask me now, if you don't like filming videos, why do you keep doing it? Because making the video, filming the video is the smallest process of a YouTuber's life. What take the most part is getting ready, which is sometimes I like it, sometimes I don't. But it's also managing your YouTube channel, doing the thumbnails, editing the video, this one should be a short one, but my previous videos, they've taken me sometimes a week to put together from start to finish, from the moment I plug my camera to the computer until the video is live with a thumbnail and everything is ready. This is my favorite part. I love the work on the computer. I love the editing. I love the sharing experience. I've loved reading your comments. I've loved how some of you guys said, oh, I really learned something, or I'm totally going to do this. I like being a person that you guys can relate to because we are a small community. So for also the question, will I make more Justin Bieber videos? For sure I will. And the whole point of this video is that I'm terribly sorry for all of you guys that have been supporting me, that have been behind me, that have kept watching the videos. Some of you guys have watched my videos over and over again just because you like the content. I am terribly sorry that I've let you down, because you spent your time watching me. You gave me an opportunity, you gave me a voice on YouTube, and I disappeared and I never gave an explanation. And I'm very sorry for that. You guys have made me feel like I mattered when sometimes I didn't feel like I did. You know, when you have your lowest days and you see a comment that's very positive, then it helps, you know? It always helps. I guess an apology is useless unless I bring new content. When it comes to Justin Bieber videos and about my collection, you've seen how my room looks like now. There's no way I'm going to film in that room. There's no way that I can bring you guys back to my collection because it is, again, a disaster. And that's the only reason is that I'm getting ready to pack all my stuff to have them shipped to the States for my next life. When I get there, I will definitely show you how I set up my collection, what I do with it. You will get all of that. For the time being, what I can offer you is to make reactions videos. If you want me to watch a certain video, listen to a certain clip, I can totally do that. Or if you want me to give my opinion about a certain situation. Justin Bieber did that. What do you think about it? I would love your questions, and I would love to come back on here and talk to you guys and share my opinion about Justin Bieber related topics. I feel like that's way more realistic now to do that than to promise you the kind of videos I was doing before. I will just take any of your recommendations and do them, even if there's just one recommendation. If I feel inspired, and I probably will, then I will do the video. Again, I never thought I would come on here ever and bring an apology video because I kind of own up everything I do. I gave myself a sort of challenge for 2018 to bring one video every week, and I would record that video on Monday, and if on Monday I'm taken and I can't, like yesterday was Monday, I couldn't, then I'll do it on the Tuesday. But I will bring up a video every week. And I didn't feel like it was fair to keep going with my other kinds of videos and not acknowledge my biggest supporters. You guys are the ones that help get my YouTube videos jump started, and I appreciate you more than you know. While I say that, I can't stop thinking about this girl who created an Instagram fan page. Her name is Lucy, and she's been the sweetest. And I mean, I am nobody in the world. I'm just this girl sitting on the floor filming a YouTube videos with my camera that I've owned for years, like with TV playing in the back. And I don't deserve a fan page. I don't deserve fans. I don't think I've done enough in the world to have people look up to me. But at the end of the day, knowing that you've brought a little bit of joy to somebody's life, you've done a little something that motivated them to, in their own way, say thank you. I mean, I can only appreciate it and say thank you back. I understand if some of you are gone or have lost your interest in me, and it's totally fine. I appreciate that you've been there. You've done enough already, but I hope that you will stay with me for the next few videos. I hope that you will be on board for what I can offer in the next few months, and then I hope that in October, November, when I get to the States and I can get back on track with the good old Justin Bieber videos, the good old collection one, that you will be there. So really the plan for now, what I would really like to do now is kind of give my opinion on certain things, not be the gossip room because it's never been me, but we can discuss together other Justin Bieber related topics. I really hope that you guys will be on board and leave some recommendations. Again, I've really appreciated your support for the past few years, and I'm sorry that I didn't show it in a way that you deserved. I'm excited for 2018. I stopped feeling sorry for myself and I move on. I think that's the biggest lesson I got from the past few years, not just last year, but ever since I started YouTube. You don't have to look like anybody else. Just be the best version of yourself and keep working. Keep working no matter what. Even though YouTube will never be a full-time job for me, I refuse to rely on only one platform. I've never had one job. I refuse to totally rely on YouTube, but it doesn't change the fact that making videos is a type of work. You have to put yourself into it and it takes time. So it is a work, it's not a job, but you get what I'm saying. And I lost my train of thought. I think it's making me feel better to just talk about it because it's been bugging me. Every time I made a video, I've made this short moment where I said, I'm sorry I haven't posted in a long time, but sometimes life gets in the way. And it's been true for the most part in 2017, but it hasn't been true before. I just allowed myself to find excuses, and I don't want to do that anymore. I gotta also thank my two closest friends now. If they were watching this video, then they'll know I'm talking about them. One of them has a pretty big Instagram page. She's now on a new adventure and she's inspiring me to keep going. And she's like, that girl is inspiring everybody around her, and she's not letting herself feel sorry for what's not working. Whenever something's not working, she pushes harder. Being around her this year and even last year made me understand that if you're not doing it, if you're not doing what you should be doing, if you're not going through with a project, somebody else will do it for you. Somebody else will take your opportunities. Maybe this video will help some of you guys understand that if you have a goal in life and if you want to do something, you can do it. The only limit is yourself. And that's definitely what I learned from my friend. The only limit is yourself. I think I'm done rambling for today. I hope you accept my apology. I hope I won't have to come back on here to make another apology video anytime soon, because all I want is to bring you guys good content and content you enjoy. And if we have to stay this small community, then I will love it forever. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I feel much lighter and I feel like I can finally close this chapter and move forward with my YouTube journey. Thank you guys so much again for watching this video, and I can't wait for the next one. Bye.
No, we didn't end it so good, but you know we had something so good.